Hi kids, let's learn about snakes. From the giant anaconda to the speedy black mamba. They slither, climb, and swim in amazing ways. Ready to explore? Let's go!
This is a snake.
Yay!
Snakes slither quietly on the ground. They use their tongue to smell and explore.
Here comes a cobra.
Yay!
Cobra lifts its hood when it feels danger. It's one of the most famous snakes in the world.
Say hi to a python.
Yay!
Pythons are strong and long. They squeeze their prey instead of biting.
Look, it's a boa constrictor.
Yay!
Boa constrictors wrap around their food gently but powerfully. They live in warm jungles.
Here comes a viper.
Yay!
Vipers have sharp fangs. Some can strike faster than you can blink.
That's a rattlesnake.
Yay!
Rattlesnakes shake their tails to make a rattle sound. It's their way of saying, "Stay away."
Say hello to an anaconda.
Yay!
Anacondas are giant snakes from South America. They love swimming in rivers.
Here's a garter snake.
Yay!
Garter snakes are small and harmless. They live in gardens and fields.
Look at the corn snake.
Yay!
Corn snakes are orange and patterned like corn. They are friendly and calm.
Here comes the king snake.
Yay!
King snakes are colorful and brave. They can even eat other snakes.
This is a green tree python.
Yay!
Green tree pythons rest on branches like leaves. They're bright green and beautiful.
Say hi to the ball python.
Yay!
Ball pythons curl into a ball when scared. They're gentle and shy.
Look, it's a rosy boa.
Yay!
Rosy boas are pinkish and smooth. They love hiding under rocks.
Here comes a milk snake.
Yay!
Milk snakes have red, black, and yellow stripes. Their colors warn enemies to stay away.
Say hello to the black mamba.
Yay!
Black mambas are fast and powerful. They can move quicker than most animals.
That's a copperhead snake.
Yay!
Copperhead snakes have copper-colored heads. They blend perfectly with dry leaves.
Look at the bushmaster.
Yay!
Bushmasters are huge and strong. They live deep in the rainforest.
Here comes a boomslang.
Yay!
Boomslangs are slender and bright green. They hunt by hanging from tree branches.
Say hi to the Gaboon viper.
Yay!
Gaboon vipers have triangle heads and fancy patterns. They strike silently, but rarely bite humans.
Look, it's a vine snake.
Yay!
Vine snakes are long and thin, like vines. They move slowly to stay hidden. Great job, little explorers! We met so many cool and colorful snakes today. Keep learning, keep exploring, and stay curious.